South Korean fighter jets accidentally dropped 8 bombs on a civilian district during military exercises in Pocheon on Thursday. The incident injured 15 people, including 2 seriously, and damaged houses, the Air Force and Fire Agency said. A pilot entered incorrect coordinates, causing the accident. A military official who declined to be identified said. The 2 jets dropped 4 bombs each, all of which detonated, he added. Pocheon is about 25 miles northeast of Seoul, near the heavily militarized North Korean border. Residents have long protested the disturbance and danger from nearby training grounds. Pocheon Mayor Park Young-yeon urged the government and military to prevent further civilian damage. Authorities will suspend live-fire exercises until there is a clear understanding of what went wrong. However, the incident will not affect major South Korean US military drills starting Monday, the military official added. The Freedom Shield drills, running from March 10 to 20, aim to boost alliance readiness against North Korea, the Seoul Joint Chiefs of Staff said before the accident.